Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2021 Ford Ranger XLT with our very own upfit package. So what you're seeing here is a MacPhee Ford special. We did all of this in-house. This Ranger has gone through a complete transformation. I'm here to walk you through some of it here, starting with these running boards along the side. These are really nice. They match with the black look here. Taking a look over the Ranger itself, we'll start with the inside. Nothing too crazy has been installed on the inside. You still have your power windows, power mirrors, controls, and power locks. We've also equipped aftermarket heated seats in here. This one originally did not come with heated seats, but we wanted it to have heated seats, so we upfitted it with that. You get these nice cloth seats in here. Lighting controls, fog lights, and truck bed lighting, and then your power window or power mirror controls. Taking a look at some of the Ranger's infotainment. You do have your power distribution in here with truck info. Trip and fuel is available. You've got various fuel settings, truck info, driver's assist with blind spot, cross traffic, driver's alert, lane keep, pre-collision, rear park aid, tire pressure, and trailer sway. On the steering wheel itself, you do have cruise control, lane keep assist on the blinker stock, and then your menu controls are on the right here. You do have a Sync 3 sound system. This has built-in electronic climate control. You can control all your climates in here except for the heated seats. It is also dual zone, so that is really nice. Your passenger and driver can have various settings for their climate. You have your manual controls down here for your dual zone climate, and then below that is two 12-volt outlets, two USB ports, auto start stop, trailer settings, and traction control. This also has 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. You also have your center column shifter and an auto dimming rearview mirror up top. So let's take a look at the back of the Ranger. You do have notably first the fenders here. These are nice screw-on fenders we've installed here to add some width to the truck. They fit comfortably with the new Grappler off-road tires. Above that, we have the Ranger roll bar. Nice and sturdy, adds a lot of character, you can hold on to it. Functional brake light is installed on it as well. Moving back to the tailgate, we did install a spoiler on the tailgate here. Adds more aerodynamics, downforce, and looks really good as well. Other features of this Ranger, you do have your rear view camera, of course. Getting into the truck bed, there is a spray-in box liner on here. Very tough, durable, you can throw whatever you want in the back of here, and you can really see more of that roll bar come to life in the back of the truck bed here. Same thing on the other side, looks the exact same. You do have your fenders along the sides here with your tires. Getting into the back seat, you do have rubber floor mats on the ground with your spare regular floor mats. Cloth seating in the rear is here as well. You've got a nice cubby behind the seats to put anything you might want to store. And then down here, you've got 2 USB ports and a household plug. Nice Ranger rubber padding on the ground here. And then your center console armrest that folds down with built-in cup holders for your passengers in the rear. They can keep their cups sturdy. You've got grab handles because you're going to want to take this thing off-roading, so you're going to need something to hold on to, and that's where those come in play. And lastly, your front end of this Ranger. Notice you do have the fenders and the side marker lights working up here. They mold into the front bumper really nicely. We also have this aftermarket hood scoop here. Looks really good, complements the orange nicely. Keep in mind all of the parts you see on this truck were bought off the Ford Accessories website, so you can do this to your own Ranger if you have one, or we can do it here for you. This truck is for sale. So make sure to come on over to MacPhee Ford to get your hands on this one-of-a-kind 2021 Ford Ranger XLT. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.